President Joe Biden urging calm today, along with vaccines and masks as the U.S. braces for the Omicron COVID variant. Scientists are still trying to figure out whether the new strain will cause more serious symptoms or if the vaccine will work against it. As NBC's Alice Barr tells us, the president is also promising stepped-up efforts to fight COVID this winter.
As the concerning new Omicron COVID variant spreads in countries around the world, scientists are racing to answer critical questions about just how contagious and how dangerous it will be. One question appears answered. For now, the U.S. is not headed for another widespread lockdown.
We have more tools today to fight the variant than we've ever had before.
President Biden stressing new travel restrictions for 8 South African countries buy us time, pressing Americans to use this window to get vaccinated and boosted.
This variant is a cause for concern, not a cause for panic.
The CDC now strengthening its recommendation to say all adults should get a booster shot. And this morning, word that Pfizer will seek authorization to boost 16 to 17-year-olds.
Get your booster. Get it tomorrow. Get your system revved up because Omicron is probably coming here. And the best hope we have for being able to fight it off is to have as many of our citizens fully immunized and ready to take it on.
Scientists believe existing vaccines will provide at least a degree of protection against severe disease from Omicron. All 3 manufacturers in the U.S. are testing whether their formulas need to be adjusted, with results expected in about 2 weeks. With cases already rising from the powerful Delta variant, President Biden promising a detailed plan later this week on how the U.S. will fight off a winter surge. President Biden said the strategy for this winter focuses not on lockdowns, but on more widespread vaccinations, boosters, and testing. He's also urging a renewed focus on wearing masks indoors and in public settings. In Washington, Alice Barr.
And as you heard, getting vaccinated is the best way to protect yourself. And a big clinic in Speedway is reopening today. The state health department's clinic at the IndyCar parking near IMS will be open from 4 until 8 today through Friday, along with Saturday mornings. The clinic runs through December the 11th, and they want to make sure anyone can get a shot, including kids. You can make an appointment there or any other clinic across the state by heading to ourshot.in.gov. And a new study found that people who are immunocompromised have a greater risk of getting a breakthrough COVID-19 infection. Pfizer researchers found that COVID cases after vaccinations were 3 times more common and severe in people with weaker immune systems. Only 18% of the people included in the study were immunocompromised, but accounted for over 38% of infections, 60% of hospitalizations, and 100% of deaths. And here in Indiana, there's been more than 71,000 breakthrough COVID cases. That's about 2% of all fully vaccinated Hoosiers. Nearly 800 people have died from COVID who were fully vaccinated, and the average age was 79 years old.